Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices and the network. Make sure your Xbox One is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi as your Android. This avoids discovery issues. Open the Xbox app on your phone and sign in with the same Microsoft account used on the console. Then on the console, enable streaming and allow connections from the app. Once done, your phone can discover the console. Move now to pairing and stream setup to complete the connection. You now pair and configure streaming settings. In the Xbox app, tap the console icon, select your Xbox, and initiate pairing. Enter the code shown on screen if prompted. Make sure the app has local network and microphone permissions so audio, input, and controller pass-through work. Choose streaming quality. If your Wi-Fi is congested, lower resolution to reduce lag. If fast and stable, increase resolution for clarity. Once paired and quality is set, test the controller input and audio to confirm responsiveness before playing. Finish the connection by launching a game from the app or console and confirming controls work. You should use an Xbox controller paired via Bluetooth or USB for minimal input delay. Touchscreen controls are available but less precise. If you experience lag or stuttering, switch your phone to the 5 GHz band, close background apps, and reduce stream quality. If discovery or audio fails, restart both devices and repair in the app. This simple step resolves most remaining problems and gets you back to playing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.